Today I am reviewing the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that truly feels like a next-generation upgrade, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus might just be one of the most impressive options available right now. Packed with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and a highly refined mopping system, this model is clearly designed for people who want convenience without compromising on cleaning performance. Let's start with what immediately stands out: the 10,000 pascals HyperForce suction. That's an incredibly strong suction level for a robot vacuum, and in real-world use, it makes a noticeable difference. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on hard floors or embedded pet hair in carpets, this vacuum handles it effortlessly. It digs deep into fibers and pulls out debris that many other robot vacuums simply leave behind. For homes with pets, this is a major advantage. Speaking of pet hair, the dual anti-tangle system is another feature that really shines. Roborock has included a jaw scraper's comb main brush along with a specially designed anti-tangle side brush. This combination significantly reduces hair wrapping, which means less time spent cleaning the brushes manually. If you've ever owned a robot vacuum before, you'll know how big of a deal this is. Now let's talk about convenience, because that's where the Q10 S5 Plus truly excels. The self-emptying dock allows up to 70 days of hands-free cleaning thanks to its large 2.7-liter dust bag. That means you can go weeks, sometimes months, without even thinking about emptying the vacuum. For busy households or anyone who just wants a more automated lifestyle, this feature alone is worth considering. Navigation is another area where this robot performs exceptionally well. It uses precise sense LiDAR technology to scan your home in 360 degrees and create highly accurate maps. This allows it to clean in organized, efficient paths instead of random movements. It also supports multi-level mapping, which is perfect if you live in a house with multiple floors. The robot remembers each layout and adapts accordingly. On top of that, the reactive tech obstacle avoidance system helps the vacuum detect and navigate around objects like shoes, cables, and furniture. This means fewer interruptions and less need to prepare your home before each cleaning session. It just works, even in cluttered environments. Now, what really sets this model apart from many competitors is its mopping system. The VibraRise 2.0 technology uses sonic vibration, scrubbing up to 3,000 times per minute, to actively remove stains instead of just dragging a damp cloth across the floor. This results in a much deeper clean, especially for sticky messes or dried spills. Even better, the mop automatically lifts up to 8 millimeters when it detects carpets. This is powered by ultrasonic carpet detection, which ensures your carpets stay dry while still getting vacuumed with increased suction. It's a seamless transition that happens without any manual intervention. Control is also very flexible. Using the Roborock app, you can schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, customize mopping intensity, set no-go zones, and even define specific rooms for targeted cleaning. The app is intuitive and gives you full control over how and when your home gets cleaned. Plus, it supports voice control through Alexa and Google Home, so you can start or stop cleaning with simple commands. In terms of day-to-day usability, the Q10 S5 Plus feels like a truly smart home device rather than just a cleaning tool. It adapts to your home, learns your layout, and works around your schedule. And thanks to its strong hardware and intelligent software, it consistently delivers reliable results. Of course, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might require some setup adjustments depending on your router. Also, while the self-emptying system reduces maintenance, you'll still need to replace the dust bag periodically. Overall, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is a powerful, feature-rich robot vacuum and mop that delivers on almost every front. It combines high-end suction, advanced navigation, effective mopping, and true hands-free convenience into one package. Whether you have pets, carpets, hard floors, or a mix of everything, this robot is more than capable of keeping your home clean with minimal effort. If you want a smart cleaning solution that actually saves time and performs a high level, this is definitely one of the best options to consider right now.